Hi my dear students, welcome to botany classes. In this video I am going to explain the difference between gram positive and gram negative bacteria. Before we discussed about gram positive and gram negative, gram positive, gram negative ಅನ್ನೋ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ gram staining technique ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು, what is the meaning by gram staining technique or method? The gram staining method, it is a procedure or it is a method used to, it is a method or a procedure used to difference between two large groups of bacteria. One is gram positive and another one is gram negative. This technique was discovered by the scientist Hans Christian Gram in the 18th century because he is named as, the technique is named as gram staining. This technique discovered by the scientist Hans Christian Gram in the 18th century. The main theme of this technique to classify of the two large group of the bacteria, gram positive and gram negative. The gram positive and gram negative bacteria is classified on the basis of physical and chemical properties of cell wall. ಯಾವ ಬೇಸಿಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಗ್ರಾಮ್ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಅಂತ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿತಾರೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಫಿಸಿಕಲ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಕೆಮಿಕಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟೀಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಸೆಲ್ ವಾಲ್. ಸೆಲ್ ವಾಲ್ ದ ಕೆಮಿಕಲ್ ಕಾಂಪೋಸಿಷನ್ ಏನಿದೆ, ಫಿಸಿಕಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟೀಸ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಅನ್ನೋ ಬೇಸಿಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ದ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ಟೀರಿಯಾ ಈಸ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಿಫೈಡ್. ಐದರ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಮೇ ಬಿ ಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಆರ್ ಗ್ರಾಮ್ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ಟೀರಿಯಾ. ಲೈಕ್ how it will be staining technique done in the laboratory, I will explain within short chart. Like the first we take a clean slide glass and add a drop of bacterial culture. On the clean slide glass ಮೇಲೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತೀವಿ, one drop of bacteria culture. Bacteria culture ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಮೊಸರನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. Curd, you use to the curd because the curd having the lactose bacillus ಅನ್ನೋ bacteria ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು curd ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. Then later there are totally 5 steps. We take a clean side glass, add a 1 drop of bacterial culture and smear it. And the step 1, it will be dried. It will be dried and fixed by heat. It will be dried and fixed by heat. And next step 2, you add a 1 or 2 drops of crystal violet stain. Add a 1 and 2 drop of crystal violet stain. It is the primary stage. It is the primary stage. The question can be asked in your MCQ, model question paper, or in your MSc entrance level, whatever it may be, question can be asked. Gram staining technique we use to the crystal violet. Why? ಯಾಕೆ ನಾವು ಕ್ರಿಸ್ಟಲ್ ವೈಲೆಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಎ ಪ್ರೈಮರಿ ಸ್ಟೇನ್. ಇಟ್ ಸ್ಟೇನ್ ಆಲ್ ಮೈಕ್ರೋ ಆರ್ಗನಿಸಮ್ಸ್. ಇಟ್ ಸ್ಟೇನ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ ಮೈಕ್ರೋ ಆರ್ಗನಿಸಮ್ಸ್. Okay, it's clear. And next step, step 3, add a 2 drops of grams iodine. Add a 2 drops of grams iodine. It acts as a mordant. It acts as a mordant. It increase affinity between the cell wall and cytoplasmic membrane. Affinity ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾವುದು, ಗ್ರಾಮ್ಸ್ iodine. Later step 4, wash with alcohol, or it is also called as ethanol ಅಂತಲೂ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. Washed with ethanol or alcohol, 95% of alcohol. because decolorized. Because decolorized. It's clear. ಯಾಕೆ 95% ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್ಕೋಹಾಲ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಡಿಕಲರೈಸೇಷನ್ ಗೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. And later observe under microscope some of the bacteria they have retains crystal violet. When first add to the crystal violet solution, ಯಾವಾಗ first crystal violet solution ಹಾಕ್ತೀವಿ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ಟೀರಿಯಾ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ crystal violet ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Then when add to the wash with the alcohol 95% of alcohol ಜೊತೆಗೆ ವಾಶ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ decolorized. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ಟೀರಿಯಾ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ decolorized ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. It's clear. When washed with 95% of alcohol, some of the bacteria retains violet color. ಯಾವ violet color ಇರ್ತಾವಲ್ಲ ಅವಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ gram positive bacteria ಅಂತ. And with a decolorized, no color ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಇದ್ರೆ ಅವಾಗ ನಾವು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ gram negative bacteria ಅಂತ. ಈಸಿ ಕ್ಲಾಸಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋ ಕಾರಣಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ we used to the one strain that is called as safranin. Safranin is also called as counter stain ಅಂತಲೂ ಕರೀತೀವಿ. Add one drop of safranin, those decolorized bacteria it retains safranin stain. It look like red or pinkish in color. It is easily classified into gram positive and gram negative bacteria. ಯಾವುದು ವೈಲೆಟ್ ಕಲರ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಏನು ಕರಿತೀವಿ ಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ಟೀರಿಯಾ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಯಾವುದು ರೆಡ್ ಆರ್ ಪಿಂಕ್ ಕಲರ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಏನು ಕರಿತೀವಿ ಗ್ರಾಮ್ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ಟೀರಿಯಾ. Let's come on the basis of physical and chemical properties of cell wall, the classification of gram positive and gram negative bacteria. Like the cell wall of gram positive, it is thick. The cell wall of gram positive bacteria, it is thick and multi-layer. It is thick and multi-layer. Gram negative bacteria, it is thin. It is thin and single layer. It is thin and single layer. Thick and multi-layer cell wall is present in the gram positive bacteria. Thin and single layer cell wall is present in the gram negative bacteria. The thick and multi-layer cell wall it stains primary state crystal violet. Crystal violet. Thick layer ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ 3 to 4 ಲೇಯರ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಕ್ರಿಸ್ಟಲ್ ವೈಲೆಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ರಿಟೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಲೇಯರ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ರಿಟೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದು ಸ್ಟೇನ್ ರಿಟೈನ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಕೌಂಟರ್ ಸ್ಟೇನ್ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ safranin. Counter stain that is called as safranin. Okay, and the gram positive it is thick and multi-layer. It contains peptidoglycan. And it is also contains peptidoglycan, but it is single layer, it is multi-layer. Gram positive having the multi-layer peptidoglycan is present. In the gram negative single layer peptidoglycan is present. In the next we will discuss detail about a difference between gram positive and gram negative.